See all this? That's all mice chewed through the lines.
Oh wow.
Yikes.
It's supposed to look like this, you know? The insulation's supposed to be covering. Those are live wires right there, you know? Today we're starting in the attic. I don't know if they explained yesterday, but the whole house froze up, so we're gonna start putting the heat back together, running new lines throughout the house, and try not to freeze. So we got the heaters running. It should be a cool day. Get the radio going, some lights, camera action.
Just trying to keep all the, because I'm going to be breaking down all the sheetrock.
Yeah.
And you don't want all it to just, we just want to keep it just in here. We don't want to, this looks a little nicer, you know. It's better than getting all the mess around, you know.
This is going to be our chase to get the heat lines back up to the second floor. I'll take this wood apart. We have to get rid of these old lines, put some new lines in.
We're waiting on material because our lovely supplier's truck broke down this morning, so that put us behind schedule. So, but right now what Kelvin's doing is he's gutting that room out because we got hot and cold water lines that need to be replaced because they're all split. And we also have to run heat lines up 2 floors. So the problem that you have in these homes is, you know, it's already existing. You know, there's sheetrock or plaster on the walls, and now we're trying to get piping up inside the walls if we can, particularly not outside walls either, so they don't freeze later. And it's difficult in some houses, so that's why you can see Justin's taking apart little chases and little pipes, places to expose pipe. You know, like this here. You know, this is a box. You know, so what we're going to end up doing is taking the face of this off so we could hide piping inside there, you know, to get to try to get the piping up 2 floors. So. Is it all the same PO, do you know? Yeah, it's all
Okay.
What do they call it? Like they used to do back in the day for electrical?
Yeah, now we're thinking, huh? Look at that. Look at this kid. Hey, you hear this kid? He knows what knob tubing is.
I was gonna ask, like, why would they put it right above the bathroom?
Used to have it in the whole house. You know, it's, as long as
No,
you
we
don't,
opened them up already.
as long as you don't see wires on it, it's fine.
Alright, sounds good.
All right, now we're thinking, Calvin. That's electrician. Now that's all bad. You know, you tell a homeowner, house burning. That's what that is.
I wonder why would they put it.
This is when we find out we don't have what we need. This is what comes in perfect. The covers, the fittings they want to put inside to crimp them.
Yeah, drills, screws.
Yeah. Hey, Calvin, is any of the dust going out or what?
Oh, coming in. I'm on the shoe there.
Yeah, so it's a little above. Yeah. Surprise! Surprise! Whole thing comes down.
Oh, we just gotta cut this old stuff out of the way to fit the new heater in. Well, we gotta redo everything anyway, so.
The only way to learn here. Destroy the whole house. Is there water in that tank, Just? Yeah, flush that, man. Through that wall.
Kelvin, don't cut any drains. Back
Oh, here we go. This is the fun part. We're gonna start running all the pipes through the holes, 90ing in to feed the heaters, and then going up a full story to feed the old heaters, you know, in the third floor. So, you know, what you've seen so far was the easy part. This is the hard part, trying to make everything work. And like I said, the house needs a little work, but we're just trying to get the heat on here so he could sell it, you know, and people could actually live in it, you know.
Just widening the hole there.
Yeah, trying to widen it up a little bit without destroying anything.
Can you bend that and just pull that piece of PEX just so it comes down the bed? Try and get some heat in. Got the second floor done, or the third floor. We're almost finishing up the second floor, and then we're moving down to the basement.
Just note to the camera, we're not completed yet, so anybody, again, haters, we're not done yet. So there's a little pipe sagging in there.
Can you twist that pipe a little bit? Can you twist it? Like that, yeah, just like that. That's it.
Oh yeah, we're doing some damage here. We gotta get to these water lines for the shower. So between these water lines and the PEX heat lines, we had to open it up so we could get new piping in there. What's up? Oh my god.
Who invited you?
Pulling stuff out, or everything's pulled out, I think. Okay.
Hi, you both, baby.
Why don't you work with Billy?
Who invited Jack? Not me. What? Who invited you?
We are getting ready to tie in the PEX to loop everything for upstairs, so it's going to come down, loop around, then it's going to go back downstairs to the boiler. So, do you want me to start?
Hold on. It's tight, man. See, all this? That's all mice chewed through the lines.
Oh, wow.
See that?
Oh, yeah, I see it.
All that. All that.
Yo.
All here. This is all mice. It's very dangerous. Huge, huge problem. Okay. You know? It's supposed to look like this, you know? The insulation's supposed to be covering. Those are live wires right there, you know?
Yeah. Need you.
All right.
They need you. There's a hole on the outside. We gotta look. We gotta get in the scroll space.
Oh, jeez.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's not gonna be fun.
Thinking gross.
Alright, if I had a jumpsuit, a respirator, full face mask, and an oxygen tank, I'd go in there.
Oxygen tank? You blow yourself up.
Okay.
What level? Because it's gonna be way up on your end.
Is it? How many more copper 90s you got left?